It's Ben here from Cult Motorcycles. Just a quick walk around of our Panigale 899. It's only done 511 miles from new. Ducati service history. A couple of nice mods on it, a Termi exhaust and a tail tidy. Apart from that, completely standard. There's not a lot to show you. It's near as damn it buying a brand new Panigale with only 500 miles on it. There's no marks or scratches. Just had a new set of tyres put on it, just due to the age. Serviced by Ducati Peterborough towards the end of last year, and it's hardly done any miles since. There we go. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks.